Hi, what an honor it is to introduce you to Colby Kohnen. Colby, I am so excited to talk to you and to share more about this Mars Robotics Association. How cool is that? Right?
Yeah, it's really amazing. We're really an amazing organization. I'm going on my 5th year now. Um, I've been, it's been amazing.
Well, let's talk about you a little bit. So, what school do you go to?
I go to Pennsylvania Leadership Charter School. We're a cyber school based out of Philadelphia.
Okay. And now you're heading into your senior year.
Yes.
You have any ideas or plans what's going to happen next when you graduate?
I'm thinking about going into civil engineering, either at Pitt or Penn State.
Okay. Which makes sense because you've been involved in the Mars Robotics Association for, like you said, 5 years.
Yeah,
So have you always had this love of math and science?
I've known that I wanted to go into engineering, but until I joined robotics, I didn't know what engineering really was or which one I really wanted to go into.
Okay.
And this has definitely helped me figure that out and actually learn more about engineering and what do I want to do.
Yeah. And I love programs like this. Being a mom of 3, I think it's important for us to try to help educate our kids as they're going through school and introduce them to programs, career opportunities, etc. So that's why I wanted to have you on. Let's talk about Mars Robotics Association. My understanding is that there's kind of 2 divisions, right? You
Yeah.
have what's the first one called? Lego?
First Lego League, that is for 4th to 8th graders. They build smaller robots out of Legos and compete in challenges.
Okay. And then the older division, the one you've been involved in for 5 years, is called what?
That's First Tech Challenge.
Okay.
We build bigger robots with custom pieces and we design everything ourselves.
Design everything yourself. So can you give me some examples of some of the work that you've designed?
So one of the things that I've designed is one of the challenges this year was to suspend your robot from a bar and make it actually do a pull-up. And so I actually designed a custom mechanism. We got to cut down tubes and 3D print custom pieces with advanced 3D printers and advanced materials. So that was really cool.
So these materials and this equipment that you use, is that where you guys meet, or do you go to different sites where maybe companies or organizations allow you to use this type of equipment?
So we have our own lab, but we also go to all sorts of places to learn more about their types of engineering and figure out and get machined materials and advanced parts from them. So
it's involved.
It is definitely involved, but it is definitely worth
fun.
Yes.
Yeah, right. So how often does you're in part of the First Tech Challenge group.
Yes.
How often does that group meet during the week?
We meet 3 hours a day, 2 days a week.
Okay, so about 6 hours a week. And I'm sure because our schedules are busy.
Yes.
Right? And students, they might have other activities. So if a student might have to miss or might have to leave a little bit early, that's not a problem.
It's not a problem. We have several students who come in 1 day a week.
Okay. Now, the students that are involved in the First Tech Challenge, for example, are they coming from different schools around the area?
We take any student from any school at any skill level at any time of the year.
And who do you learn this from? I know you guys are so smart and you're probably watching videos and looking up things and learning a lot yourself, but I would think it'd be definitely helpful to have mentors.
Yes, so we have several mentors from several different skill levels, and we also do design reviews at various companies.
Okay. I know you guys have been in some competitions this year.
Yes.
Could you kind of tell us a little bit about that?
So this year we made it to the state competition, and because of our good performance in the qualification matches, we advanced to a competition in Kentucky where we got to meet teams from around the world.
How about that? When was the competition in Kentucky?
That was earlier in June.
Okay. And is that the one where you're kind of given a real world problem to try to address?
We're given the real world problem for all of the competitions.
Okay. So it's like a theme throughout?
Yes, it's the same game throughout with the same robot, but it's always paired up with different teams every match. So that's where the excitement comes from.
Yeah. I would think too, how wonderful it is to meet students from other schools, to build relationships with people you have in common with, but then to also go to these competitions and to meet students from, like you said, all over the world.
Yeah, it's amazing because we have so many we have so many connections in our community from being on the robotics team, and from being in FIRST Robotics, we have connections around the world.
Yeah. Well, I'm thinking that there might be companies that would be interested in helping to maybe sponsor some of these competitions. I know this stuff is expensive, right? I would think too there might be some professionals or volunteers in our community that would like to get involved to help mentor or support. Where would be a great place to go and learn more?
To learn more, whether you're looking to support or whether you're looking to join as a student, our website is www.marsroboticsassociation.org.
Okay. And you have anything on social media?
We have a Facebook and an Instagram account on social media, and we post about events and updates.
Okay. So definitely, if you're a parent or a student, want to get involved, check them out. Colby, I'm honored to meet you. I know you're going to do great work and keep it up. You're a wonderful spokesperson for this organization.
Thank you. I'm honored to be here.
Okay, great. And good luck to you, and thank you. Thanks for watching this episode of the Butler Buzz. If you want to see more, just click on the playlist button up here. To keep up to date with all of Armstrong Neighborhood Channel, click on the subscribe button down here. Hey, I suggest you do both. See you next time.